Hello my beautiful darlings and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a Valentine's makeup look. I was like, you know what, it's a few weeks ahead before Valentine's, so probably this will help my viewers get ready for the holiday so you guys don't have to rush and you guys get inspiration as far as what to do for makeup looks on Valentine's. So I honestly had so much fun. So if you want to know how to get this look, I'm using a few new products. Continue on watching. Also, if you're new, go ahead and subscribe down below and also give this video a thumbs up for the algorithm, and let me know what you guys think in the comment section below about this new backdrop. I honestly had so much fun with these new leaves, so go ahead and leave it down in the comment section below, but otherwise let's continue. Okay, so welcome back. I'm going in that concealer from ColourPop, and you guys, this is amazing. I love this concealer. It has hyaluronic acid. Definitely do try it out. It's very creamy. Now going in that palette, I'm taking that coral shade, and I'm just putting it in the crease with my new brushes. I love these brushes. They are from Wet n Wild. Really cute, and I like how it has the pink tip on it, which totally goes with the whole Valentine's tutorial. But now I'm going in that hot pink shade, and I'm using another synthetic brush from Wet n Wild, and I'm just putting it within the crease to give that illusion of a nice depth within the crease. Then going back into that concealer, we're going to be making a cut crease. And first you're going to use the tip, and then you're going to use a synthetic brush to create the outline of the cut crease. You just want to go ahead and drag it, make sure you get all the corners. And now going back within that hot pink, we're going to define the crease a little bit more. It's very important. And then you're going to be going in your shimmer shadows, and this is such a cute pink shimmer shadow. Went in the Jaclyin Hill palette, and I love a palette. It's amazing. We're going to be using that synthetic brush, as you can see, is from Wet n Wild again. And now we're going to be going in this Too Faced matte lipstick, and this one is such a nice red shadow. I really love it. I'm going to be taking my synthetic brush, and I'm just going to create a winged eyeliner. You can make any eyeliner effect, but I think with this cut crease, it really looks nice with a winged liner. So just make it nice and big so it's seeable through the lashes, whatever lashes you're going to use in the end. So now going in that shadow, we're going to be taking it on the waterline, and I'm still using the Wet n Wild brush. And now I'm just going to be going in my concealer and take it on the high points of my face. This concealer is still kind of dewy because it has that hyaluronic acid serum in it, so expect to put more if you want that full coverage effect. But for me, I don't want that much coverage because I don't really need it, especially that's going to be nighttime. I'd rather use less makeup, so the less the better for me, especially that I'm trying to clear my skin out right now. But I'm going now in that Jacnical blender. I really love this Jacnical blender. I've seen so many people use in their tutorials, and link is going to be down below. But now we're going in our setting powder. I finally purchased a Laura Mercier setting powder. Somebody told me that my Coty Airspun has chemicals in it, and I didn't know Coty Airspun translucent powder had so many chemicals until I watched a TikTok video. But yeah, I had no idea, but thankfully somebody told me about it, but not ever going back to Coty Airspun. But now we're going in that blush. I'm going to be using my Milani blush. I always think a cute blush for a Valentine's look is always a thing. And now we're going to be going in my highlighter. Again, links are going to be down below of everything that I've used in the tutorial. But now we're going to go in Too Faced. I love this matte lipstick. You can go in this shade or you can go in the next shade. I usually like to give two looks so you guys can see which one looks better, but I chose this one. So like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next week's tutorial.